Okay, so today I have a training for a giant retail support team. So this is part of their after training homework. Okay, so they need to watch this. And here's what the question is about related to the industry, right? So it's like there is the summary worksheet here, and then there's a details worksheet, and the person need to one of the admin staff will need to do something like that, right? So let's just look at, for example, M001, and they go to the details worksheet. So we have to look at here, is there M001? If there is, then come back here and actually go over here and color it, right? Is this yellow color or what? So I have to check one by one here, so manually before today's training. So how much time it takes, right? So tomorrow we'll find out that, right? So now um I thought of that maybe we can use this count if function. So count if, so look at this details worksheet and select the entire column B, because column B will have the code for the merchandiser code. So what I comma, so I go ahead to summary and I click on the cell C7. So since I cannot type it, I gotta select cell, so I type in C7 and enter. So if it's 0, it means that the M001 cannot be found here. See, there's no M001. So, and then I will just double click and you will notice that M002 is found here. You see the M002 is there, and that's why it's got 1 there. So if it appears 2 times, then so M002 appear 2 times, then it will show as 2, right? So, but that is not the case. So how can I highlight the item wherever this is a 1? I want to highlight it. So just highlight the row here, the range, the list of merchandiser code, right? So we have more than that. So go to home, click condition formatting, and we got to click on new rules because our condition format is not applied to the selected cell. No, the condition we check, right, is not on the same area we selected. So that's why we're going to click new rules. So new rules, use a formula, and over here we choose this value here, and we'll remove the dollar sign here, right? And then check, is it greater than or equals to 1? Okay, so it could be 2, it could be 1, but as long as greater than 1. And I click format, and then go to fill, choose yellow color, click OK, and click OK, and there you are. Okay, you see that? So okay, so now take a look at this M005. Yeah? So let's say I change this to M005. So let's come back here, and you can see that it's now highlighted. So altogether there are 4 items here. See, there are 4. Okay, so there are 4 of them. So yeah, that's it, right? So how many merchandiser we have here? So again, you can use the equal count A to highlight this list here and see until here. Let's see what we get. We have 4 merchandiser, and here we have 4. Okay, so that's matching. Okay, so you can do a double check also right here. Again, you can type a sum of this column here. So that's 4, and you want to check is it equals to this value here, and that's true. So that means it's matching, right? So you get a true here. So yeah, okay. So if there is a value here, it's 9. So what happened? So does it matching? No, that's false. There's 3 items here, and there are 4 items here. So you can see that 1009 is not appear in this list. That's why it's become false. Okay, so just undo it, and you go back here, true. Yes, that is how you can modify the code, right? So we're using the count if to check whether a merchandising code, a merchandiser code appear in the details list. If it's appear in the list, it will tells me how many times it appears. So that is the function count if. So with the count if, I highlight the list here. I go to home, condition formatting. I choose new rules. So click on this and click on use a formula and enter this formula here. And remove this and make sure you're not using the arrow sign, right? If you use the arrow sign, you can see that this is not really working. So you got to select the cell, click on it, and then say greater or equals to 1. So at least 1, right? Then click format, choose the color yellow, and click OK. And that is the function you want to select. Okay, so at this point you can just click OK. And it will highlight it. So this is the step here, and there you are. Okay, so tomorrow I will have our question for you guys. So okay, that's one thing, and the other is that about the durations. So in the class I show them how to change this, right? Let's say it's become 45, so you can see everything start changing. So 45, so because this end time is controlled by this duration. So what's the reverse? The reverse is that a student want to ask is from 9 to 9:45, what is the duration? So how do you find that? Well, you go to right here. Okay, so you key in this text formula, so just enter it again. So you key in the start time and key in the end time. So how much is that? So you just type the text function C minus this comma and hashes and close parenthesis, and that's 133. So now 9 space A, and you can see that's 98. Now if you don't want to have this format, but then you can also use the into minutes. So if you want to use just minute, that will be the formula. So basically it takes end time minus B5 times 1440. So why is it 1440? Is because that you take the 24 times 60 times 60. Is it that? No, just 24 times 60. So 24 hours times 60 minutes. So then you will get that value. So after you enter, you see that this become this, right? No problem. You just go to home, go back to general. So we got 28 minutes. So same thing goes to here. You can go for custom, and you can remove this. It's right here, custom, and click OK, and you get the same thing as well. So I have documents all the functions right in my this amazing Microsoft Excel formula guide is available for sales, right? So it's at a glance, right? You can find out very much faster. By the way, for my student, right, if you're watching this, you can access to my this Excel time saving Excel shortcuts, right? At the back bottom here, you can see that there is this, right, free 90 days. So yes, it's free 90 days. And how? By accessing, you need to enter coupon code, which is AX corporate 2030. Okay, and you enter this. If you enter this, then you will get this movie, right? So it's just you click on that, you click add, and then enter this, then apply, and it becomes 0. Okay, and then you can get it for free. Yes, thank you. I see you tomorrow. Bye. Remember, you are excellent Excel learner.